I don't know how good this is going to look, but I don't really care anymore. But yeah, here's another fan that I picked up a couple weeks ago. And that a lot of fans I picked up. We all know the Windmere is dead, and those two Holmes that you saw, they work. I've not tried this little Duracraft box fan out. And I bought it because it was really cool because it was blue and white. Kind of cool in my opinion. And this one's a model DB-10, I think it is. Somewhere, yeah, DB-10A. Or 10, yeah, DB-104, excuse me. Sorry, I did not rehearse this, so. Yeah, and it's supposed to run 8/10 of an amp. So yeah. I cleaned it up as best I could because it was really filthy. And I tried to get the blade off to get the motor cleaned up and oiled, but unfortunately, we all know what happened to the last Duracraft box fan that happened. I mean, the motor mount literally just went. It's like damn pot metal broke. But in defense, I think that fan was already messed up to begin with. Hence why it was at the dump. Excuse me. So yeah. Side. Other side. The back. Looks like it's already been yellowed. Well, especially the knobs yellowed. So yeah. So I guess what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up and give it a go. Alright, we're plugged up, and just to prove it is plugged up with the power meter, so here's high. I think it said it's supposed to be 8/10 of an amp, and we're running 0.81, so in defense, we are running 121 volts in the house. We're running 50 watts. Not very efficient for a C-frame motor. Of course, in defense, box fans really aren't that efficient, especially the older ones. But you really can't beat the older ones. Low. And low, we're running 37, 38 watts. And 5900 of an amp. Sorry, when I have the camera focusing on me, it's mirrored, so I have to look at it funny. So yeah. And like an idiot, I forgot to bring my scientific blowing experiment thing. My pinwheel. Oh well. Back to the high. See if we. Okay, so the amperage is going down, so that's good. Because usually what happens if the fan hasn't been running for so long, it tends to take a while for a warm up. I think it's also speeding up too. And just spin our time now. Me. Alright, that's that. Quick show and tell this little Duracraft DB-104 that I picked up at the thrift store for $5. I know, I could have done better, but it probably could run a little better had I gotten this blade off and put some oil in the motor. Or get the oil motored up. But I may do something with this later, who knows. So, till next time, wherever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Comment box is open.